The North American plains are a diverse ecosystem of plant and animal life. Often described as a sea of grass, the prairie is defined by extreme variations in temperature with rich, dark soil and is home to many species of wildlife. The dry and rambling grasslands are prone to prairie fires, which are a natural phenomenon on the plains. Fires can ravage a landscape or leave it refreshed and renewed. The prairie has adapted to thrive through seasonal burning. Prairie fires are a symbol of destruction and renewal on the plains, and mark the transition from one season to the next. Plants native to the prairie have long, sturdy roots that find water below the parched, wind-whipped soil, and interwoven clusters that stop soil erosion. Native plants have adapted deep roots to preserve them during periods of drought and fire. In the spring, prairie fires clear the land of undergrowth, and the sun warms the topsoil and quickens germination. As young seeds blossom, animals return to graze and fertilize the soil. Bison, elk, coyotes, turtles, and meadowlarks all make their home in the tall grasslands. Insects like butterflies, mosquitoes, and grasshoppers abound. For nearly 20,000 years, the native people who lived on the plains negotiated their existence through a complex series of rituals. Some groups used fire to mediate their relationship with the land. When pioneers moved onto the prairie, they disrupted those rituals and feared the native people's use of fire as a tool. As native ways were replaced by the plow and field, the prairie suffered irrevocable damage. Land that once withstood long periods of drought became ecologically untenable, and in the 1930s, the region descended into a series of dust storms. By reshaping agricultural relationships to the land and reintroducing controlled prairie burns, the plains have endured as an ecologically diverse landscape. In the 21st century, much of the prairie has been consumed by development and agribusiness. The native landscape is now consigned to designated parks and conservation land.